Welcome back. In today's lesson, we'll be diving deeper into key concepts in AI. We'll take a closer look at machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision. Let's explore these essential topics that form the foundation of modern AI systems. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are machine learning and deep learning, and how do they connect to AI? Then, we'll dive into other exciting concepts like natural language processing and computer vision. First up is machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on creating algorithms that allow computers to learn from data and improve over time. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform specific tasks, ML systems learn from experience. They use data to make decisions and predictions, gradually improving their performance as more data becomes available. For instance, in a system that predicts house prices, the algorithm would learn from data like previous house sales and the features of the houses. As it processes more data, it gets better at predicting prices. Next, let's explore deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, systems inspired by the structure of the human brain, to process complex data. These networks consist of multiple layers that work together to identify patterns and make decisions. In a neural network, data enters the input layer, gets processed through several hidden layers, and results in an output. Each layer makes a small decision that helps the network ultimately arrive at the best result. Deep learning is particularly powerful for tasks like image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. Now, let's take a look at natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human languages. It enables machines to read, understand, and respond to text or voice input in a way that is meaningful. Some common NLP applications include text translation, like Google Translate, sentiment analysis, used by businesses to gauge customer opinions, and chatbots, like those used by customer service departments. NLP helps machines understand not just the words, but the context and emotions behind the language. Finally, let's explore computer vision. Computer vision is the AI field that allows machines to interpret and understand the visual world. Using digital images, videos, and deep learning algorithms, computers can identify objects, faces, and even read handwriting. Some real-world examples of computer vision include facial recognition technology, which is used in security systems, and image recognition, which powers features like Google's image search. Another common application is self-driving cars, where computer vision helps the car recognize and respond to its environment. That wraps up our lesson on key concepts in AI. We've learned about machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision, fundamental building blocks of modern AI. In the next lesson, we'll dive into how AI learns from data, focusing on supervised and unsupervised learning. Be sure to subscribe to Gift Tech Solutions for more lessons on the fascinating world of AI. See you in the next video.